Guys, welcome to our unit for the day. Guys, we're going to do a room tour. Actually, part 2 na to. Take 2 rather. Kasi wala tayong mic kanina. Guys, this is our unit for today. We're in Fort Victoria, Tower B. Yeah? Show them the view. So this is just the living area. My TV. Gusto kong i-focus yung napaka-childish. So this is the living area, guys. And then, let's go here. We have the AC, of course. And then just a table. Then, anong review mo sa water? Madumi daw yung water, guys. So this is just totoo. So this is just the kitchen. Just some cabinets, sink. And then we have here our mini ref. My freezer din, guys. What welcome? Ah, yeah. Guys, may welcome amenity ang the fort sa amin. The salt. It's the salt, guys. Ay, sorry, hindi ako galit. Then come! We have here just a mini washroom. We will now go to the bedroom area. So, kita nyo may pa-stairs. Tapos, merong mini hallway, guys. Welcome. So, meron tayong 2 rooms. I'm gonna show you the washroom first. This is the washroom. Then we'll go to bedroom 1. Malamig na siya, guys. Kasi binuksan na namin yung AC. Bedroom 1. Then, show them the view as well. So, that's bedroom 1. Then, we will go to bedroom 2. Na parang akala mo naman ang layo-layo. Tadaan! Bedroom 2, everyone. Ito ang cabinet. And as I've said, my ironing board, and hangers. And this is the view again, guys. Just a different angle. Show them. So, that's it for the room tour. And then, right now, we're about to leave, actually. Bababa muna tayo na safely. So, that's it for the room tour. We're about to leave, actually. We are off to some coffee. Kahit nag-coffee na talaga si Arlan. And then, maghahanap kami ng place for dinner. Show them. What's your opinion with everything that is happening?
I'm so tearful. Tearful! Joyful, tearful. Mga vocabulary ko, mababa siya.
Ano naman feeling mo nakita mo na ako finally?
I'm so happy. Tinititigan ko lang siya kasi hindi naman ako makapaniwala na nandito na rin siya sa Philippines.
Tapos guys, akala niya I'm back in the Philippines. Like, for good. I'm just here for vacation, guys. I'm so sorry that you had to find it this way. Sana hindi na masyado mainit. Kasi nararamdaman ko kahit nandito pa tayo sa loob, lapot na ako. Kaya na siya. Okay, that's it. We will roam around. guys, kukunin daw to ni Arlan. Kukunin niya daw yung ano.
Libre ko na po.
Isang ano lang. Isang kagatan lang. Ang haba-haba ng nilakad namin. Tapos ending sa egg drop lang kami.
Wala kasing kanin.
Dapat magkakanin kami. Kaso wala. Wala masyadong options. It's either heavy meal or mahal masyado. Cloud chaser lang kasi kami. We had our, not dinner, just a quick, ano ba yun? Lunch ba tawag doon? Late lunch? Late lunch. Merienda. Merienda! We ate sa egg drop as you've seen sa previous clip. And then we're trying to find a restaurant for dinner later. Kung makakahanap kami. Because we went to Labduka. Kasi hanggang 8:30 lang daw sila. Pero sabi ko nga, ano naman magagawa nila kung 8:30 kami dumating? Charis!
Sila pa sa mga plato.
It's us against the world. Alam mo, kita ka na agad ni Arlan.
Alam mo, yung figure nyo lang nakita ko, alam ko agad na kayo.
Guys, live update. The girlies are here. Say hi, everyone.
I'm hungry.
Yeah, everyone is hungry now. Umikot kami ng BGC kanina pero iikot ulit kami para maghanap. Ang galing! After how many hours, nakahanap na po kami ng kakainan. We're at Mango Tree, Thai Cuisine. Cuisine? Ang arte ng cuisine. Papakita namin yung kinain namin. Do the honors, Aryan, please.
Why me?
Because you're there. Nasa iyo pala.
I don't know.
Show them. What's this?
Oh, ang bigat kasi. This is chicken in lemongrass something.
Yeah.
And this is Thai egg fried rice something. And this is chicken satay.
Yeah.
And that's spring rolls. That's all.
Thank you so much. Now we will eat. Guys, papakita ko lang muna yung baso kasi hindi ko mapigilan yung kajajahan.
Uy, nasantok na ako ah.
Yung ano din?
Nasantok na ako ah.
Yeah, kumain na. Kakain na po kami guys kasi gutom na po yung mga kasama namin.
Wala naman. Tapos, ano na, umupo na dun sa harap ko kasi nakaupo ang F.
Oo, table.
Mabuhay.
Relaxation.
Siya din naman, script din siya. Siya din ako. Kasi yes, can I have your passport? Ganyan. Wala namang inabot, tapos nag-act din siya na kunwari.
May roleplay.
Sabi ko, ano ba to? Bakit ba ito yung Richie, back of my head. Pero syempre, ginagawa ko yung trabaho ko. Just to confirm, your reservation is ganito, ganyan.
Guys, update. Could someone give me the time, please? It's 11:44 exactly. We are done with dinner. After...
Parang natunaw na yung dinner ko.
Yeah, nawala na siya agad, guys.
Bago pa mapuntahan yung coffee shop.
Ngayon, ang problema naman namin na yung coffee shop kasi mga 30 na po yung... Guys, we're off to another branch of Harlan kasi mas malaki siya. I don't know why we're going there actually dahil sa mas malaki siya.
Naglalak sa pa. Open pa ka siya.
Because it's open at 2 a.m. Gusto ko yung narinig lang yung tanong ko.
I think the fourth floor is very near na. Sabi ko,
Ano naman yan? Zigzag naman. Guys, eto na lang yung source of entertainment namin ngayon, si Arlan.
picture ba yan?
No, it's a video. Update from your titas of Manila. Tito. Ito po yung busy na pumili ng mga Digicam photos. Tapos ito yung pinaka-tita of them all. Pagod na siya, guys. Tapos, umpisahan na daw. Oh my God, that looks nice. Guys, wait for our Digicam photos. Magsawa kayo sa PowerPoint ng Instagram stories namin. So, we're here at Harlan. Kasi open nga siya since 2 a.m. And then, some of us had coffees. While I, on the other hand, I just had ice cream. Tapos, ang dami niya pala. Natutunaw na siya kasi ang dami naming commercial, guys. After this, we'll go back. Isang mahabang lakaran na naman po. Ay! Sabi nga ni Bianca, umpisahan na daw natin ngayon. Parang akala mo, ang dami niyang energy kanina. Ano yung sudden surge of ano?
Magkano yung scooter dito? I'm willing to buy.
To buy, not to rent.
No, that's not part of my life.
Let's see if anong magiging results namin later. If we will scooter or we will walk. Let's bet. Maglalakad ulit kami. I bet.
Baka may mas malapit.
Guys, it's 1:14.
Hanap na po siya
Naghanap na po siya ng
ng
shortcut.
even starting.
Nagkaroon kami ng commercial kasi nag-TikTok kami kasi kailangan namin makasuccess ng TikTok for today. Otherwise, what's the point of this trip? Huwag ka na maghanap ng shortcut. Guys, tama yung bet ko. Maglalakad pa rin kami. Guys, it's almost 2 a.m. Everyone is at their 10% energy right now.
Kung naman maglakad ng libo-libong steps.
Sorry. Basic lang ang sabi. So, wala nang update. Ito na yata ang last update. I have there my Smirnoff. And then, that's it. Wala. Tamang ano lang. Tamang update lang na I did it na nag-update ako. Nanonood po yung auditor ko sa kaliwa. Guys, it's day 2. Oh, day 2. Alam mo naman 1 week dito sa Airbnb.
Parang ginawa natin sa Palawan.
Parang Palawan lang. we're finally checking out today and ang usapan, nakakatawa, last night ang usapan pa namin, 10 a.m. breakfast. Ang mga alarm, anong oras gumising, anong oras natapos mag-ayos. Actually, may alarm ako din ng 8:30. So, ibig sabihin, parehas natin tinulugan yun.
Hindi ko lahat.
8:30.
naman ako.
Ako din, nagising ako. Enough ko din. Ngayon, anong oras na? 10:50 na guys, mag-11 a.m. na hindi pa rin kami umaalis dito. Pero the plan is mag-breakfast sa Joey's na magkaka-fake news pa nga akala ni Kla na try ni Arian. Pero hindi mo pala, nakita lang niya along the way nung kahabaan ng paglalakad namin sa Antipolo. Ay, este sa BG's. Guys, sorry na lang sa voice ko kasi ganito yung effect kapag inuubo na nga kagabi, tapos nag-ice cream pa. Tapos nag-Smirnoff pa siya na pagkalamig-lamig. O ngayon, para tayong nagbibinata. Worth it ang 4 na kanto. Habang nagbabaybay kami last night, nakita namin tong Joey and we're here and we're about to have our brunch. So, some of us just have beef tapa. I'll show you in a while. And then, some of us had like pasta-ish. Tapos, pare-parehas lang yung itsura ng coffee namin. So, wag niyo nang tanungin. But yeah. We're about to have our brunch. Let's go guys, magta-time lapse na tayo.